Hey guys, today we're gonna take a look at a Android app. What this app does, APK Analyzer, is that repacks any application, including the ones that come by default, into an APK file that you can send it or receive it from somebody else. And let's give it a try. This app is absolutely beautiful. And right now, let me just try, for example, let me try AnyDesk or whatever. I'm just gonna give it a try, right? Click AnyDesk. Let's say I don't have this app as an APK. Let's say I want to share it with another phone and install it somewhere else. But how can I do that? After you click it, click the three dots in the end, and you export the APK. And wait for it to go here, and you go to Files, Personal. I'm going to go here and just save it to my regular files, and now it's saved to my files. And how do we find that? We just go to File Manager, File or My Files, how Samsung has it, and it's right here, the APK that we looked for. And if I want to reinstall it, I could, but I'm not going to go to because I don't need to. And now let's try another one that's probably an app that's in the phone itself, not something that was a third party, right? And let's go to Bixby. Let's say you want to test Bixby on another device because, just you want to. You click here. Export APK, and you can change the name, by the way, and except you don't want to delete that APK in the end. You delete all that big name and just type Bixby, and you hit save, and now that file is saved. And when we go to our files again, it is right here. And let's go to files again, my files. It's right here. And if you hold on it, you hold it here, you go share, and you can share it with whatever you want, with messages, email, and whatnot. And this is a beautiful app, in my opinion, if you're an Android user. And yes, it's available in Play Store. It's nothing shady that you have to get from a third party or something else. You just go to Google Play Store and you hit APK Analyzer, and it looks like this one that you see in the screen here, and you just open it. It's free to use. It's just a beautiful app. And imagine I can even take the Bluetooth app, that's an Android built-in app, click the three dots, export the APK, and save it. And now I can send that APK anywhere I want in any of my other devices. How cool is that? And I hope you learned something from this very short video, but a very, very powerful app that I think everybody should know about, or at least every Android user should know about. And with that said, thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Please hit like and subscribe. Bye!